Looking for a budget mechanical gaming keyboard that delivers premium features without a premium price? The Redragon K552P mechanical gaming keyboard is built for gamers who want responsive performance, RGB lighting, and a compact layout. The first thing that stands out is the tankulous 87 key design. By removing the number pad, the keyboard creates more room for mouse movement, making it a great choice for competitive gamers. Performance is where the K552P shines. It comes equipped with hot-swappable red switches that provide smooth and consistent keystrokes. Since red switches are linear, they require less force and feel fast during gaming sessions. Whether you are playing shooters, racing games, or working on daily tasks, the keyboard feels responsive and comfortable. The hot-swappable feature is a major bonus because it allows users to replace switches easily and experiment with different typing experiences. RGB lighting adds another layer of appeal. With 18 backlight modes available, users can customize the keyboard to match their setup. The effects are bright and eye-catching, while adjustable brightness helps maintain visibility in darker rooms. Build quality feels solid for an affordable keyboard. The frame remains stable during intense gaming sessions, and the ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue over extended periods of use. N-key rollover ensures multiple key presses register correctly, which is essential for fast-paced gameplay. Software support allows macro programming and additional customization, giving users more control over their experience. The compact layout may require some adjustment if you are used to a full-size keyboard, and the absence of a dedicated number pad will not suit everyone. Overall, the Redragon K552P offers strong performance, RGB lighting, hot-swappable switches, and excellent value. For gamers seeking an affordable mechanical keyboard packed with useful features, it remains one of the best choices in its category today.